We're going to take a look at the user preferences in the new Fall at Aspen student information system. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate through your managed bookmarks to the District 86 Follett link and then log in using your secure login. Your login is the same as the Active Directory, which is your first initial and last name and the same password that you use to log into the computers. Once you've logged in, users can set their preferences up in the top right-hand corner. They would click their name, and in the drop-down they would select Set Preferences. Many of the preferences that are here you'll want to leave the same, but the following are some that you may choose to change. The default autosave interval is 5 minutes. You may choose to make that a smaller amount. What this will do is it will make Aspen automatically save sooner or potentially later than that. So for example, if you tend to get disrupted when you're doing things like entering grades, you might want to change that default save interval to 1 or 2 minutes, which would mean that should you get disrupted, you would lose a minimum amount of work. The next thing that you might choose to change under the General tab is the records per page. It defaults to 25 options, but if you have, for example, 26 or 27 students, you might not want to continually have to switch to the next page to see the last couple of students. So by changing the number of records per page, you could potentially see everyone all on one page. The other thing that you might want to change or need to change in Aspen is under the Home tab. The check marks here are all the various widgets that Aspen offers under the Pages tab. These widgets are usually shortcuts to different activities and tasks that you might need to do. And the one that is usually turned off for most users on the initial login is the Tasks one. You will need to have this enabled to initiate a task workflow, which is how we would submit a student referral. The last two tabs, Security, just include your email, and Communication, which just shows how many forum posts you would see per page. When you have set all of your preferences, you would click OK, and everything will refresh and return to normal. Thank you for viewing this week's Tech Tip of the Week. If you have questions, please feel free to contact any of the district technology personnel, including your technology coach, at your respective building.